Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. I'm at the beach right now, as you guys can see this, and the reason I came to the beach is to explore my AIS boats. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but this is what it is. So I have PortaPack. It has a lot of built-in tools. One of the cool tools that it has is actually AIS boats, and I wasn't able to capture this particular signal at my place, so I came to the beach just to capture and show you the cool thing about this AIS boats. So if you guys can see this, so in PortaPack Mayhem, this is what I'm using right now. And PortaPack Mayhem AIS boats, this is an application that I'm going to use to track ships just like ADSB. So wait for a second and let me get started on this. So this is your PortaPack that is running your H4M firmware, and right now, as you guys can see, that there's an app called AIS boats, and this is the app that we're going to use to actually track these boats. And the reason I came to the beach is because so I'll be able to catch these signals. So we're gonna simply select this, and we're gonna wait for these boats to pop up. So there are only two channels. All right, this is one, 87B and 88B. All right, so 87B and 88B. So the first that is popping up is actually boat. All right, so there's two. First boat that is popping up, it is actually for MMSI number, and it is actually from Beijing. And let's look at the credentials for this particular boat, and it is coming from Hong Kong. And you guys can see this you have a destination number for it. POS is not available. When it was last seen is not available, and you guys can also see this on a map as well. So you can just simply go to map and you can see the location of this. So as well, so this is coming from Beijing, and nothing is coming up on the map for this one, but we can go back and let's look at the other information about this particular boat that is being captured. And let's go back and press done, and we're gonna wait for another boat to pop up actually. So we're gonna check and see that if I'll be able to pop up, any other boat pops up. So that's the cool thing about AIS receiver, that any commercial boat that comes to the dock, it sends just like an information it used to be sent, the ADSB sends. And we're gonna wait for it, wait for another one to come up and see if I'll be able to see anything else when it comes to the boat. So we're gonna wait. Let's go to channel, because due to sun actually I'm covering myself. So we're gonna wait and see. So the main reason for me making this video is just to show you that with PortaPack that has everything built in, the screen and everything, you guys can easily capture this information. So that's the cool thing about it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in a comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.